Dr. Kevin OBENG-MARNU, MD. Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Dr. Kevin OBENG-MARNU, a practicing neurosurgeon.
Your headaches? How severe are they? Written by Dr. Kevin OBENG-MARNU. Have you ever been in a situation whereby these episodes tend to be the most excruciating and rather unpleasant moments? The worst headaches of my life, as narrated by all patients. Far from migraines, tension, or cluster headaches. This is subarachnoid hemorrhage, which produces what we call a thunderclap headache. What actually happens in subarachnoid hemorrhage is that there is bleeding in the area between your brain and the thin tissues that surround and protect it, known as the meninges. The majority of the time, it happens when an aneurysm on the surface of the brain bursts and releases blood. Sign and symptoms includes nausea and vomiting, neck stiffness, loss of consciousness, speech troubles, vision problems, light sensitivity. This is a medical emergency and could be fatal if untreated immediately, leading to permanent brain damage or death. Schedule an appointment with your local neurosurgeon or neurologist today for further evaluation if you find yourself in a similar situation. Thank you.
Hello family, this is Dr. Kevin OBENG-MARNU, MD. Y'all welcome to my channel. Subscribe, like, comment, and share. And God bless. Thank you.